In the last video, I have shown how to do copy and paste of the data from Google Sheet, which is essential for your assessments. But you got to realize that there is a built-in data source, and if you look at this window, click on the down arrow. The QE CSV file has been sitting there along with other files. So click on this and it'll bring up the QE data. Now you got to observe all the columns and rows. Here you work on sample. If you want to reset the data set, you need to use the reset dataset tab. This is a very important area because if you do not save changes after you have uploaded something or changed some of the dataset or entered any dataset, all your changes will be lost. In the previous video, we have seen how the pasting, copy and paste of the data is done over here. You can choose a file to upload it from your computer hard drive. You can download the data, and there are other windows. We are going to look at it. So let's look at sampling. So click on sample, and if you click on the down arrow, it shows you different variables and the simple random sample, which is quite useful for year 12 investigation. So I stay on simple random sample. How big my sample is supposed to be? Well, usually what I do, I keep it around 70. There is a reason for it, because when I go for the subgroups, the subgroup I expect it to be around about 30-35, so 70 is a safe bet. So that's a good number. Let's choose 70, and I'm going to random sample from a so-called population of 700 QEs. Now if you scroll, you can see you have cut it down to only 70 QEs, which has been done with a process called random sampling. Well, the teacher will discuss how the random sampling is done and what are the other forms of sampling available, especially to the year 12 students. Once I have that, I'm going to go through the process. I got to choose my specific graph drawing process, which is the dot plot and box plot. I choose the variable. Let's go for the weight. I need subgroup. Let's go for gender to keep it simple. At this stage, I'm not going to color it to distinguish from a very simple graph. I can get the summary, I can draw high box plot or any kind of box plot, and then I can do the title, and I can change the size of the points, transparency, and all kinds of things. I'll stop there because the video is once again getting longer. Thank you.